In a surprising turn of events on Monday evening, November 13, Johannesburg faced an unexpected and destructive hailstorm, causing significant damage, especially in Midrand and northern regions. Hailstones, some as large as eggs, pounded the area, leaving a trail of devastation. The impact was particularly severe in Midrand, where unsheltered vehicles faced hailstones resembling golf balls, resulting in shattered windscreens and extensive damage. Some roads became impassable as the storm unleashed a deluge of hail and debris.
This is heavy rain, guys.
Johannesburg Emergency Services, EMS, spokesperson Robert Mulaudzi reported flooding in Marlboro, with several households affected. Despite the intensity of the storm, fortunately, no fatalities or injuries were reported. In another alarming incident, a hotel in the affected area witnessed the collapse of its restaurant roof due to the sudden accumulation of ice and water from the storm. Emergency services promptly responded to secure the area, preventing further harm. As the affected areas assess the aftermath of this unexpected weather event, the community is grateful for the swift response of emergency services, highlighting the importance of preparedness in the face of nature's unpredictability.
Oh my gosh. Should I even look?
No.